What's up guys, and welcome to the vlog. Today's going to be a very exciting day because we are starting the RX7 FD3S for the very first time with the big single turbo. Mixed feelings. I'm nervous. The bolt's still in the sump. It's wedged between the baffle and the sump, so in theory it should be fine and it shouldn't catch on anything. Yeah, then once we know that everything's working, then another day we're going to pull the engine and get that out. I've thrown a boroscope in there and I know that the bolt is stuck between the baffle and the sump, so it should be okay, but still nervous as balls. We're about to start this car, so what we're going to do first is we're going to push the car out the garage, then we're going to fill it up with fluids, and Gareth and Jono are here. They're going to be helping out. Fill it up with fluids and some fresh petrol, a couple of litres, and hope for the best. So just ran into our first problem now. Fuck, I'm so embarrassed. I thought I had 20W50 oil in the garage. There's like 3 containers there, 2 of which are brand new, and meanwhile they were 1040s. One was for the MR2, the other one was for the R32 GTR. Damn it! So we're on the way to the shops now. Hopefully they're still open. It's like 3 o'clock, some time like that. We're going to try to find some mineral oil, 20W50. We just came back from the first place and they didn't have any engine oil at all. All the car shops are pretty much closed, so we're trying like supermarkets and stuff. I just need mineral oil anyway for the car, so let's hope they have.
20 minutes later.
We got it. 2050. Thank you, Czech South Africa. Free plug. How much you got on it?
Yeah, you just pour like another 2 and then we'll put it down.
Yeah, let's go.
And then top it up.
My child's gonna cry. Definitely, but it'll be worth it.
Yeah.
And meant to start pressure. But just give it a couple of cranks, like 5 seconds, whatever, it's done.
I also had a coolant light yesterday.
Is it?
So I want to make sure the beep goes away. Okay, the apex is not coming on, which is not good. Probably.
So now what?
Check the water sensor. Okay, sensors are good.
Okay, what do you want to do now?
Well, let's take EGR fuse out.
Okay, will the pixie come back on?
No.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. One more?
Yep.
Yeah, I think move your car out of the way.
So we'd rather just be safe than have something shoot through our window.
No, move it, because, yeah. We don't want to fuck up your car. Sorry, guys. So you guys watching this, makeshift exhaust. That's a downpipe for the stock twin turbo. So HK's downpipe. I've just wedged it on top of the V-band section. We've cranked the car now with the EGR fuse pulled out, and it's cranking. Belts are turning. Everything looks good. We just put it back in. It's the moment of truth. We've got fuel. We've got oil. We've got water. We got everything. We're about to make some fire pretty damn soon.
Okay, fuse is in.
You ready?
Yep.
Recording?
Recording.
This is 7 months of work, guys.
Oh shit, why am I standing again?
Put it fire. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Yeah, I think it's fine. It's probably burning the tape or something. Is there any silicone
And there's
around there?
plumber's tape around the oil, on the oil side.
Might
Oil
just be burning
RX7.
something a bit. It'll stop though over time.
Probably the gaskets as well.
Yeah, I
New
think so.
gaskets.
That thing was fucking loud.
Can't even start it.
Told you.
Straight
Yeah,
away,
shit.
eh?
Our bolts over here is leaking a little bit.
That is it.
Yeah, a couple of drops coming out of there.
There's
Yeah.
something stupid that I forgot to do, which was check the power, Apexi power, see if it had any errors.
Why don't you check now? Afterwards.
I guess so, I've never tried. Guys, we fucking did it. The car started, it is so damn loud, I wish you guys could have heard this. It is insane. But it's running, everything's fine. The ECU is showing no errors whatsoever. There's no leaks. Okay, well there's a slight leak from the heater pipe which we forgot to block up and we made a makeshift thing now. Anyway, forget about that, there's no leaks anywhere else. Turbo's running fine. It was shooting flames a second ago. Gareth was behind the car when I was revving it, but it was shooting crazy big flames out the downpipe. Car's running. So what we're going to do now is we're going to throw the intercooler on, we're going to throw the pipework on with a dump valve and do some revs, and then we're going to fix the RPM, or idle RPM. It's running a little bit too low. It's like sitting at 550, 600. I'm not sure that's because the intercooler's not on. We're going to throw it on quickly and then let's see what happens. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Lots of cool shit happening like this. Hit that like button too.
I heard it a bit, but can't hear much. That was loud, eh? That sounded like a rotary.
Holy shit. Actually doesn't look so bad with the pipework on.
You know what you should have done?
What?
Let's drive it in. But I don't think you should start it again.
No. Do we have to put the bonnet down to do that?
That is it.
Let's drive it in. Let's do it.
You want it?
Yeah, fuck it. You think it'll clear? Should.
I think it'll clear.
Can you guys watch me?
Stick up.
Yeah.
Just go perfectly straight.
No, but yeah, the stick, how are we going to do this?
Leave it.
You can feel your over here where it's coming out, it's getting warm over there. No, it's not hot, but you can feel it, just that one section is getting hot.
Okay. Let me drive it in and then we're done. No more.
Yeah, so just watch that stick very carefully. Because if that falls down, then the whole system's going to fall.
Allison's giggling.
Amazing. I thought my GTR was loud.
That's crazy, eh?
I thought my old Subarus were loud. Even a Subaru with no exhaust is nothing like that.
It's insane.
Let me stay on the other side so this doesn't fuck me up.
Yeah.
That's quite solid. I don't want to be in here. I don't want to be
We're going to
anywhere.
need some guidance in the front
Okay.
and clearance with the bonnet.
Okay, I risk my life.
you're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.